So what I'm going to do next is connect up this one remaining turbocharger coolant hose. There's a banjo bolt, so so it's not quite symmetric on both sides, but it's pretty clear where it goes. There's a banjo bolt that goes on it, and I'm going to put it back on. I think I have it right here. Turbo coolant line. There are two tiny little. So one is pretty clear where it goes. That's the other one. So I have two. So one is this guy. I'll have to figure out where the other one goes. This is not helpful. I'll have to look. And does it appear to be any other line here? But this sure seems like the right one for this. You won't be able to see much of this. There's a banjo bolt down here. I'm trying to keep the other washer in there. So that goes in fairly easily. The real question is, what's the other turbo coolant line? I labeled it, but I don't remember what exactly it is, so I'll have to look at that. Let's see if we can zoom in on this guy here. Oops, nothing is visible at all, so